and a very welcome to everyone here today. My name is Hamad Ahmed Abdulrahim from grade 12B, and today I am joined by my partner Shahid Shebad, and we are going to present our biology performance task.
So, hi guys, my name is Shad Shirzad, and today I'll be reading to you our goal in the role. So, the student goal is to create a research article about the gene's impact on health and disease in humans. And the role is students will be acting as a genetics and explain about the role of genes play in disease and health. So first thing first, what are genesis? A gene is a basic unit of heredity in biology consisting of a sequence of nucleotides in the DNA or RNA that codes for the synthesis of a gene product such as RNA or protein during gene expression. DNA is transcribed into RNA first. Examples: if both parents have green eyes, you might inherit the trait for the green eyes from them, or if your mom has freckles, you might have freckles too, because you inherited the trait of freckles. Genes aren't just found in humans; all animals, plants have genes too. Next up, how do genes affect and as impact on health? Many diseases and disorders are linked to genes in some way, although some illnesses are caused by a single gene mutation. Most are complex. Many diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes, are caused by genetic problems that are compounded by lifestyle and environment variables.
What role do genes have in disease? A single gene mutation, monogenic disorder, multiple gene mutations, multifactorial inheritance disorder, a combination of gene mutations and environmental factors, or damage to chromosome, change in the number or structure of entire chromosome, the structure that make up the human genome, can all cause genetic disorder. Many diseases and disorders are linked to genes in some way, although some illnesses are caused by a single gene mutation. Most are very complex. Many diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes, are caused by genetic problems that are compounded by lifestyle and environmental variables.
How factors such as family, health history, or genetics can influence a person's pattern of health and illness. So people with a higher than average risk of common illness like heart disease, high blood pressure, stroke, certain malignancies, and type 2 diabetes can be identified through a family health history. As you can see in the picture, it's the general socio-economic, culture, and environmental conditions. We have the different criteria: living works, conditions, and social network communities, individual lifestyle factors.
So, what are the impacts of genetics and genomics on public health here in the UAE? Public health practice has to date concerned itself with environmental or social determinants of health and disease and has paid scant attention to genomic variations within the population. The advances brought about by genomics are changing. These perceptions in the long run, this knowledge will enable health promotion messages and diseases prevention programs to be specifically directed at susceptible individuals and families or at subgroups of the population based on their genomic risk profile, as the controversial discourse in science and health politics shows. The integration of genomics into public health research, policy, and practice is one of the major challenges that our healthcare system is currently facing. As we can see in the following picture, here, this is our society. The knowledge integration within and across discipline is connected to improvement in population health by education and training, and and connected also by communication and stakeholder management. So this concludes our performance task for today. We would like to thank you for listening, and also we would like to thank Ms. Salma for giving us the opportunity to present our task today.
Thank you for letting us present, and hope you like the presentation.